Good morning, students. This is Shivani Kumar here, your teacher of English, and I will teach you English grammar in this video. So, in today's video, I will just continue the chapter 2 from the grammar section. And in the chapter 2, we have studied some topics related to the alphabet. No, sorry, chapter 1, the alphabet. So in the last video, I have discussed about the question number B from the page number 3. So I will continue that exercise here. Page number 3. So in the B number, we have some words to circle the vowels. And I have already solved the 1 and 2 number in the previous video, and I have tell you to solve the rest of them by your own. Okay, so let's move on to the C number. इतना तो आप लोग कर लोगे आराम से, इसलिए C number. Sir, fill in the missing vowels to complete these words. Okay, here we have some 3 circumference or circles. Here we have some circles and in the circles we have some divided sections, and in that divided sections we have some words. Okay, and here we have some some hints how can we fill that words. So in the first circle we have 4 words and we have 2 options. Okay, but हमें यहाँ पे सारे वर्ड्स को वॉवल को यूज करके ही फिल करना है. In the circle we have I or E. Okay, in the circle we have I or E. Now let me do this. This is our optional word, hint wale words. Okay, hinted words. And here we have first word K dash T and dash. So what we have to use? We have to use these letters. So I will just write this. So here we have the first word kite. Then we have the second word D I dash. Like the first one we have just used the IE. Then we have the second word die. Now we have H dash T hit. क्योंकि E यूज कर नहीं सकते क्योंकि head कोई word है ही नहीं. Hit is the word. Here we have the third word. And then we have bite. So like this you have to solve the question number C. Okay, I have solved the first one and you have to solve the 2 of them because you have 2 circles here. So I have solved the first circle, you have to solve the second or third circle by your own. जस्ट कुछ नहीं करना है. यहाँ पे जो आपको बीच में दिया गया है वॉवल लेटर्स को कौन कौन से यूज़ करना है, हाँ बस थोड़ा सा माइंड को यूज़ करना है. उसके बाद यहाँ पे दिए हुए वॉवल्स लेटर को यूज़ करके फिल कर लो, और कुछ नहीं है इसमें. ओके, now we have, let's perfect it. A number. What a word beginning with each letter given below and take clues from the given picture, the number the words in the alphabetical order. Okay. Write a word beginning with each letter given below. Here we have some pictures and we have to start the word which has given as a letter. Okay. हमारे पास यहाँ पे कुछ पिक्चर्स हैं और स्टार्टिंग लेटर सारे वर्ड्स का पिक्चर के अकॉर्डिंग लिखा हुआ है. टेक क्लूज फ्रॉम द गिवन पिक्चर. हमें क्या करना है, इस पिक्चर्स को एज अ हिंट लेना है और बाकी के लेटर्स को लिख के फुल प्रॉपर वर्ड बनाना है अकॉर्डिंग टू द पिक्चर. ओके, सो हेयर वी हैव द फर्स्ट पिक्चर ऑफ गोट. यहाँ पे हमारे पास पहला पिक्चर कौन सा है, गोट. इट मीन्स बकरी. एंड हेयर वी हैव द फर्स्ट वर्ड लेटर इज जी. इट मीन्स हमारे पास बकरी का पिक्चर है और वर्ड भी है जी. सो वी हैव टू जस्ट मेक द फुल वर्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू द पिक्चर. GOAT. इतना दूर क्यों भाई, पास में आ जाओ. यस, गोट. ओके, गोट. Then we have the picture of umbrella, so you can write simply umbrella. Then kite, kite, car, car, ice, ice. Okay, and now we have a small box just under the picture. what now we have to do? We have to arrange them, or we have to just put the number 1 2 3 according to the first letter of the sentence of these words. मीन्स जैसे कि हमने पहले एक एक्सरसाइज बनाया था कि हमें स्टार्ट क्या करना है, आगे के फर्स्ट लेटर्स को देख के उसको अरेंज करना था बाई नंबर. तो सबसे पहले क्या आता है 1 ए, तो ए को क्या करेंगे, ए के नीचे 1 लिखेंगे, फिर आता है 2 बी, तो उसके नीचे 2, और सी आता है थर्ड नंबर पे, तो उसके नीचे 3. तो जस्ट लाइक दिस हमें यहाँ पे वही काम करना है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर वी हैव द सी वर्ड हेयर. So we have to write 1 under the car, then we have to write 2 under the goat, we have to write 5 under the umbrella, 4 under the kite, and 3 under the ice. Okay. And I hope you have understood the concept of the alphabet till now. अभी तक जो कुछ पढ़ाया है आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा. अल्फ़ाबेट में भी कुछ खास नहीं था. ABCD जानते हो, मॉन्ट 1 से लेके मॉन्ट 1 तक पढ़ ही रहे हो. 1 में भी थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ा ही है. अब आए हो 1 स्टैंडर्ड 2 में, तो इतना तो मैं छोड़ूंगी कि आप लोग अगर भूल रहे हो तो अपने आप को याद दिला दो कि हाँ मैंने ये चीज़ भूला, मुझे ये पढ़ना होगा. ओके, वरना खुद की मेहनत तो कुछ होती नहीं है. Now we have the question number B. Number these sets of words in alphabetical order, and one has been done for you. Just like the previous exercises, in here we also have to solve the words according to the first letter with the help of number. Simply. But I will solve just the second number because the first one is already solved here. I will solve the second number, and you guys have to solve the 3 and 4 number by your own self. Okay, look, number 2. Okay, number 2. In the number 2 have the first 4 words is pink, point, plan, part. Now we have to write 1 2 3 according to these words. Okay, हमें नोटिस यहाँ पे करना है कि हमारे पास जो ये वर्ड है वो अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में है या नहीं है. भी अगर नहीं भी है तो अरेंज करना है हमें. तो द फर्स्ट लेटर इज सेम, देन वी हैव द सेकेंड लेटर टू फोकस. इन दिस वी हैव I, O, L और A. So according to the alphabets, what comes first? In the alphabet we have the first letter is A, and now we have to focus on this. So the first number goes to this. Okay, according to the alphabet we have A because the first letter is same, so we can decide according to that. So here we have to focus on the second letter. So the second letter is A here, the first number goes to the part. Now we have the word LOI. So what comes after A? B. But if we don't have a B here. C. We don't have C. D, E, F, G, H, I. Yeah, we have I. So we have to write 2 here. Okay. I after I. G, H, I, J, K, L. We have the word L here. So we can write 3 number here. L, M, N, O. So we can write 4 here. Okay. So just like this, you have to solve the rest of them 3 or 4 number. Okay. अगर फर्स्ट लेटर सिमिलर है तो फोकस करेंगे सेकेंड लेटर पे, सेकेंड भी सिमिलर है तो फोकस करेंगे थर्ड पे, थर्ड भी सिमिलर है तो फोकस करेंगे फोर्थ पे. ओके. So in the first we have the H is very similar. मतलब the first one is very similar to the second one. In the first one we have the first letter is H commonly. Then in the first we also have to focus on the second word which is I O A or U. Okay. And in the third we have the R. The first letter is very similar, almost similar. and the second letter is O, A, I, E. So you have to arrange the 3, 4 number according to the second letter also. So you can do this at your home.